Hello my dear student, I welcome you all to the maths class. You all know that we have started a new chapter, that is chapter 4 simple equation, yesterday in our previous class, right? So you also know that we have started exercise 4.1 in a previous class. So I have given you few home assignment yesterday. We'll solve that first and we'll proceed to our class assignment, okay? Here we have a home assignment from exercise 4.1, question number 2. D, E and F was a home assignment, right? So let us solve number D. 4p minus 3 is equal to 13. So this is your left hand side and this is right hand side. If they are equal, then the equation will be it will be a solution, right? So we have to put the value of p, that is 1 here, minus, sorry, it is 3 is equal to 13. Don't forget to put the equals to sign, which is very important thing. 4 ones is 4, minus 3 is equal to 13. So 4 minus 3 is 1 and 13. So it is not equals to, so you can write it is not the solution. Okay. So similarly we will solve for this one also. Put the value of p here. What is the value of p? Minus 4 minus 3 is equal to 13, right? 4 over 4 is 16, minus 16, minus 3 is equal to this much. So minus 16 minus 3 is minus 19, because minus minus is plus, you know, I hope. So LHS is not equals to RHS again, so you can write it is not the solution, isn't it? So proceeding forward to question number F, we have minus 3 is equal to 13. The value of p given is 0. So 0 minus 3 is equal to 13. I have add the value of p here, that is 0. So 4 zeros is 0, minus 3 is equal to 13. So it is minus 3 is not equal to 13. So you can say LHS, you can write this one also, okay, in the previous sum I have not done. LHS is not equals to RHS, so you can write it is not the solution. It is not the solution. Alright. So with this we are over with our home assignment. We will do our class assignment with question number 3. Student, here we have the question number 3 from exercise 4.1, which will be a class assignment, okay. So the question is, solve the following equation by trial and error method. Trial and error method means, in the previous sum, the value of the variables, suppose p, m, l, whatever was there, the value was given, x, the value was given. But here you have to put your own value and you have to prove the left hand side and the right hand side equal by putting that value. If you are not getting the value 17 at once, then you have to try putting another value, and if you are not getting with that value also, you have to put another value. And if suppose that value is appropriate, or you are getting left hand side 17 and right hand side 17, then you will consider that value as a solution, like how we did in the previous question, that is in question number 2. So this is your trial and error method. That is, within a single step you are not going to get your answer. You have to do many times and you'll get the answer. Okay. To start with, I'm going to start putting the value p as a 0. Okay. So if you have a p0, if by putting this value, if you are going to get 17 on the left hand side, then it is your solution. But if not, then you have to try with another value. That is called trial and error method. Okay. So 5, p value is 0 plus 2 is equal to 17. Alright. Solve more. 5 zeros is 0 plus 2 is equal to 17. So it is 0 plus 2 is 2 is equal to 17. Is it equal? No. So 0 is not the solution. So you have to try with the another value, that is, let us try with p equals to 1. Putting the value of p1, we are going to get 5 1 here plus 2 is equal to 17. 5 ones are 5 plus 2 is equal to 7 is equal to 17. Not equals to. So again 1 is not the value for to get this 17. Okay, so you have to try with another value, that is, let us try with 2. This is 5, 2 here plus 2 is equal to 17. So 5 2 is 10 plus 2 is equal to 17. So 10 plus 2 is 12 is equal to 17, which is not equals to. Alright, so we have to try with the next one. Let us try with P with the value 3. So 5, 3 plus 2 is equal to 17. 5 3 is 15 plus 2 is equal to 17, which is 17 equals to 17. Now, yes, we got the value LHS is equal to RHS. Left hand side is equal to RHS with the value 3. So we will say, we'll write, hence the value of P is equal to 3 is a solution for the given equation. Okay, this is at the last you are going to write. So let us solve question number 2. Here we have the question number 2. 3m minus 14 is equal to 4. So you have to try using the trial and error method, right? So putting the value m, let's start from the 0 only. You may not know, you may get with the 0 only, right? So 0 minus 14 is equal to 4. 3 into 0 is 0, minus 14 is equal to 4. On the right hand side it is 4, so it is minus 14, which is not equal to 4. So LHS is not equals to RHS and m value is not 0. Okay, so if proceeding forward to m equals to 1, will you get the answer or not? Just see. 3 into 1 is 3, minus 14 is equal to 4. 3 minus 14 is minus 11 is equal to, which is not equals to 4, isn't it? Similarly, if you try for m is equal to 2 value, then it will be minus 14 is equal to 4. 3 to the 6 minus 14 is equal to 4. 6 minus 14 is, it is 8, but minus 8, which is not equals to 4. Let us try with the value 3. 3 3 minus 14 is equal to 4. 3 3 is 9, minus 14, which is equal to 9 minus 14 is 5, which is not equals to again 4. Proceeding forward, putting the value of m equals to 4. 3 4 minus 14 is equal to 4. 3 4 is 12, minus 14 is equal to 4. 12 minus 14 is minus 2, which is not equals to 4. Again, putting the value of 5, m equals to 5, minus 14 is equal to 4. 3 5 is 15, minus 14. 15 minus 14 is 1, which is not equals to 1. Again, m equals to 6. 3 minus 14 is equal to 4. 3 6 is 18, minus 14 is equal to 4. 18 minus 14 is 4, which is equal to 4. So here LHS is equal to RHS, left hand side and right hand sides are equal. So we will consider that m value equal to 6 satisfy the equation 3m minus 14 is equal to 4. Okay, so we can write hence m value like this. Okay, so just see how we have done. If you use the logic, you can directly jump. You could have started from 3 also, because 3 3 is 9, 14. So from here only your biggest value would come. Otherwise, if you just calculate in your brain, imagine the value and just cross check it, you will directly get the answer. Okay, you have to be very careful, but whenever you are doing this. Okay, so with this we are over with question number 3 also. Let us proceed to question number 4. Here we have the question number 4 from exercise 4.1. It states that write equation for the following statement. So you all know what is equation, and in this question we are supposed to form a equation. It is given the statement, and just you have to follow the statement and you will form the equation. Okay, the first and foremost is the sum of a numbers x and 4. To solve this, you need to have a idea of what is sum, what is subtract, what is times means multiplication. Okay, so you should have the knowledge of that. Basic idea should be clear regarding all those. Okay, so the thing is, the sum of numbers x and 4, in between these two, sum of a numbers x and 4, in between these two you will put plus, which will make a sum. Okay, the sum of two numbers is of a numbers are x and 4 will be equals to is 9. Is 9 means equal to 9. X plus 4 is equal to 9. I hope you have understood this. So if you have not understood, let us proceed to number 2. 2 subtracted from y is 8. Many of the students make this mistake here. They write 2 minus y is equal to 8. No. 2 is not getting 2 minus y is not equals to 8. This is not the form. This is incorrect. Many of the student does this mistake. Please student, do not do that. Okay, you have to understand. Just see, 2 subtracted from y. Okay, from y 2 is getting removed or subtracted. It will be like this. Y is already there, and now from there 2 is getting removed or subtracted. That will be equals to 8. So this statement means the equation this. Okay, so the equation is y minus 2 is equal to 8. Number 3, 10 times a is 70. 10 times means multiplication. A 10 times with a is 70. This means this. So 10 into a is 10a is equal to 70. So this is the equation. Okay, I hope you have understood. Proceeding to question number 4, we have the number b divided by 5 gives 6. The number when this b is divided by 5, b is divided by 5 will give what? Will give 6. Okay, so this is the equation, simple one. The number b is getting divided by 5, which will be resulted. Here we have the next question, question number 5. 3/4 of t is 15. That is 3/4 of means multiplication. T is 15. This means 3/4 will be written as 3/4, and of multiplication of t is equal to 15. So you are going to write 3/4. T is equal to 15. So this is the equation here. Okay. And now next question, number 6. 7 times m plus 7 gets you 7 times mean multiplication. We did in question number 3. 7 times m plus 7 gives 77. So this means this only. So if you have to write this in a single form, then 7m plus 7 is equal to 77. So this is the equation here. Alright. So here we are left with 3 questions from question number 4, that is 7, 8 and 9. This will be a home assignment. Okay student, you will do it yourself. Just try it. It is very easy. Just use the idea which is given in the, or the hint you can say given in the question and or the statement. 1/4 of the number x minus 4 is easy, no? Just relate the statement with the statement. Okay, with the equation. Okay. Okay student, proceeding forward to question number 5. Write the following equation in the statement forms. Okay, so till now in question number 5 you have formed the equation from the statement. Now the equation is given and you have to write that in equation, statement. Okay, it is very easy. Just see, p plus 4 is equal to 15 means, plus means you have to use the word, that is sum. The sum of numbers p and 4 is 15. This means this only. The sum of the numbers p and 4, the sum of the number p and 4 is equal to 15. Okay, it is simple. Proceeding forward, m minus 7 is equal to 3. So what you can write, 7 subtracted from m is 3. But here many of the students write that m subtracted from 7 sorry, m minus 7 is equal to 3. They write that, or they also write m subtracted from 7. It is not like that, because from m the 7 is getting subtracted, which I have told you in the previous sum also, that m is already there. From that, from that number m, 7 is getting subtracted and you are getting 3. There are more questions left in this question number 5, but we are going to keep here for today. Alright, in the next class we will solve the remaining one. Okay, see you in the next class. Till then, stay safe and healthy, and do not forget to practice. Alright, thank you everyone.